Digital offers a world of opportunity for promotion and building an audience. Where to begin? Let's explore the most common digital assets for marketing campaigns. Leaderboards appear at the top of websites where the viewer sees it before anything else. It's a simple digital banner delivering core brand information. It needs to be a fast, singular message. For text, statements of about 5 words are suitable. Readability is essential, so use large fonts. Images should be simple graphics and only used sparingly, ideally using bold or contrasting colors to grab attention. With so few graphic elements, leaderboards are fast to create and can be updated with minimal effort. For instance, a business might use a leaderboard to promote a Black Friday sale. The following month, they'll make minor changes to the template and use the leaderboard for a different promotion, like free shipping. Rectangles normally come in 2 sizes, large and medium. Medium rectangles appear on the upper half of a web page. This is called above the fold. The idea is for the viewer to see and click on it before scrolling the page. Large rectangles tend to appear at the end of a paragraph or in the middle of a large slab of text. This placement provides breathing room for readers. Like leaderboards, rectangles contain only essential information, and when surrounded by text on a screen, vibrant colors and bold text will help make these ads pop. Things that move capture attention. An animated GIF harnesses the visibility of a rectangle or leaderboard and adds motion. A GIF can contain more information than a static image. For example, an animated GIF might be created from 3 still images that flow consecutively. Here, the first image is the name of the event, the second includes the date, the third entices people to click with a call to action. A GIF might feature text that stays the same with changing background images or color. Or perhaps the text changes while the background stays the same. Keep it simple and clear, and you can be sure the message will be delivered. Memes are witty, relatable, and designed to be shared. If they are timed well, they can further endear an audience to a business. A quick-to-the-point combination of image and text without needing to look polished. In fact, memes are known for their grassroots style and their distinctive square shape. They can start with a funny statement, but the meaning deepens with the right image pairing. Often they use juxtaposition, where a serious line of text is paired with a ridiculous image. Or a serious image is matched with a hilarious quote. Side by side is a simple, effective meme. A cafe sharing this would connect its coffee-drinking audience to a joke about their love of caffeine. When designing a meme, make sure it's relatable for the audience. Their life experiences will inform the way they react. Wallpaper is the imagery saved to a device or desktop and showcased on a home screen, lock screen, or background. Wallpapers have longevity. When was the last time you updated your wallpaper? They need to be simple, a graphic, or a short piece of text, like a quote. And they need to be inspiring and look great on a user's screen. In this example, the quote is empowering and will make the visitor feel great every time they pick up their phone. Avoid branding too heavily. Simply provide an audience with a great wallpaper and they will love you for it. Maybe add a little logo here. Use only subtle cues to the brand's voice, vibe, or visual style. Phone wallpapers should be sized at 1080 by 1920 pixels. For a desktop, 1920 by 1080 pixels is good. Accommodate different screen sizes by leaving plenty of clear space for the image to be cropped to different proportions. Digital collateral can be a lot of fun to design and roll out in different formats, helping build awareness of the business and brand. Stay ahead of trends and always make sure you have the right specs.